Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name's Seren and I make a new video every Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video and leave lovely comments. So I'm bringing you today's video with a very heavy heart because I tried some products and I went onto Instagram, asked you guys if you wanted me to review them, to let you know whether I loved them or hated them. And I'm back with that review at your request, and unfortunately it's a negative one. So yes, unfortunately this is going to be a negative review of two products by The Ordinary. Now you've probably heard about The Ordinary. If you haven't, then where have you been? It's all over social media, it's in loads of magazines, it's just a really popular product. And that's because it's such an affordable price. So I think both of these together, also I bought them on ASOS, so I got a 10% student discount, of course, amazing. So yes, I bought these on ASOS, but you can get them in other places, but they retailed for, I think this one was £6 and this one was only £5. So yes, both very inexpensive products for what they label themselves as. So this one is a moisturizer, it's a natural moisturizing factors with hyaluronic acid, and this is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% high strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. Now the reason why I tried these products is because firstly I was running out of my moisturiser. I've got really oily, acne prone skin, so I'm always on the hunt for a moisturiser that's going to counteract the oils and is not going to obviously bring me out in spots. And then secondly, because of exam stress, I was coming out with a little bit of dermatitis looking things around my chin and a few blemishes, but I think that was just due to stress. So I thought, okay, this is known for counteracting that, and there's so many reviews, like hundreds and hundreds of positive reviews on this product and also on this product. So really for the price, I just thought, why not? Let's give it a go. And what can really go wrong? So I'll just show you what they look like. So the zinc formula comes in this really cool little bottle. It's frosted glass and it's a little pipette. You just squeeze up the formula and then it looks like that. And then it comes out in a gel consistency. So it feels really, really soft when you rub it into your hand. Hasn't really got that much of a smell to it, it's quite a neutral smell. So yes, that's the one with the zinc. And then the moisturiser looks like this. The packaging obviously is pretty plain. That means that they can reduce their price a little bit more. So yeah, I'm all for minimal packaging. And this wasn't the reason why I'm going to give it a negative review. So aesthetically, they just look like skin products, so yeah, can't fault it there. So that's the backstories to the products. Now let's get into my honest review of them. So I bought these products on the 22nd of January. This was towards the end of my exam period, so I had obviously, like I said before, already been getting spots because of stress, but at this point I was kind of coming out of my exams, they were just drying up a little bit and it was quite minimal. So I tried this and on the first day I put it on fine, no problem, but I started to notice some little kind of under the skin spots coming through, and I just thought, okay, I'm just going to give it a few more days. Maybe it's one of those products where it brings everything out first before it gets better, because I know there are a lot of products that do that. So I just thought, right, I'm going to stick with it. It was kind of drying my skin out as well, so I thought, okay, that's probably a good sign, and it wasn't stinging me. There was no kind of reaction in that sense. There was nothing immediate, so I just thought, okay, this is cool, so I'll give it another go. Day 2, I woke up and my skin looked a little bit irritated, and I just thought I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. So at this point, I could still see these little under the skin bumps coming around my chin area, and a little bit of dry skin happening around my mouth. So I looked at it and thought, right, that's a little bit strange. Anyway, it was working beautifully on my forehead. So I had a little blemish in the middle of my forehead there, just in between my eyebrows, and that seemed to be going really quickly. So I was really confused why that part of my face was fine, but that part of my face didn't seem to be enjoying it as much. I thought, okay, because that's showing improvement, I'm going to continue with it down here. Bring it on to day 3 of using the product. I didn't really see any signs of improvement the next day, and oh my gosh, I was red. I went on FaceTime with my mum and she asked me what I'd done with my face, whether I'd been outside in a cold wind, because I was just bright red. All around here looked like I had a moustache. It was just, it wasn't sore, it was really strange. There wasn't any pus, there wasn't any physical spots, just all of these horrible under the skin bumps, and bright red dermatitis, well, dermatitis looking skin around my mouth there. Being in the middle of exams, I absolutely freaked, and I was also getting to the end of it, so I was going out the next week and I was seeing my boyfriend, and I didn't want to go to an event or see him with a bright red face from something that I thought was going to help my skin. So at the same time as using this, I thought, okay, I'm going to give them a go together. So I started using the moisturizer as well. And to be honest, the moisturizer didn't really do much. I think because this was drying my skin out so much, and I have actually got sensitive skin, so sensitive and acne prone skin, but also normal in combination and a bit of everything. It's very strange. So yeah, I tried to put this on to counteract this, and it was doing nothing. If anything, it just kind of was absorbed into my skin straight away, and it didn't really feel like anything was happening. So again, I just kind of thought, okay, maybe it's the combination of them, maybe it's just my skin getting used to a new product, and maybe this is supposed to bring out all of the bad things before it gets better. I did one more evening of it, and I woke up the next day and it just got a lot worse. So after that, I thought, right, that is it. I'm not using this product again. I don't know what it's done with my skin. I don't know why I've reacted in a certain way when so many people absolutely love this product, but that's just what happened. So yeah, unfortunately, a lot of product is going to be going to waste. I know friends who really like this product, so I might give it to them, but at the same time, I'm kind of reluctant to give it to them because of how bad a reaction my skin had to it. So yeah, I've got two products that are basically going to go to waste, which is really sad. I was honestly hoping for a miracle, and honestly for the price, I was just thinking, please, 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 can I have some kind of formula that's not going to break the bank, but my skin absolutely loves, and it just gives me that really lovely finished look that I've always wanted with my skin. At the moment, you won't be able to see because I've got the lights on, so it's a little bit deceptive, but still, my skin, I haven't been using this now for... Oh God, that went on for a bit too long. Oh Jesus, I thought it was an actual fire. I should know this by now. It's because I'm not usually in at this time on a Wednesday. Oh no, they've changed it. It's usually on a Thursday, but now it's on a Wednesday. Okay, right, panic over. So yes, essentially, to sum this all up, this really didn't react well with my skin, and this was not very effective. So if anyone knows of anything that's good for maybe dulling acne scars, I've got a little bit of scarring, a little bit of redness around there. That's mainly what I want it for, is just for, you know, dulling down these acne scars and just giving me beautiful finished skin. So if you know of any products, please leave them in the comments. And also, if you have tried any of the Ordinary products, especially these ones, please let me know what you found with it and whether it worked really well for you or whether you reacted badly, because I'm just so baffled as to why it's reacted so badly to my skin. So that's it really for these products. Great prices, but not so great on my skin. So I'm going to put those aside and move on. So obviously I was in a massive panic. I had this redness all around my face, and I had these little under the skin spots. So I was just thinking, oh gosh, here we go again. Kind of similar to the acne that I had when I was about 19. And I just thought, my skin has been so good for so long. I thought I was past this phase. So I Googled and came across this. So this is the Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare. It's aloe vera gel with cucumber, witch hazel and calendula. I saw this and I saw that it was for any skin irritations, and you could use it all over your body. And I just thought, right, okay, anything is going to help me right now. And this was only £4, I think, and it's an absolutely massive bottle. Think about that versus that. I got it from Holland & Barrett. There's actually a sale on these products, so I went to Holland & Barrett, picked one of these up and started using it on my skin, and literally within an hour of putting this on my face, the redness seriously went down, which was such a relief. Obviously the spots weren't going to go down, but I think because of the witch hazel as well, that did help the spots. So I religiously used this maybe 2 or 3 times a day. I didn't really wear makeup because, again, I was revising, so I didn't really need to go out the house. So I put this on 2 or 3 times a day and just kind of rubbed it into my skin really gently. So within a week, my skin was basically back to normal. I still had a few little bumps there, but this part around here, like all of the dry skin around my mouth had gone, which was insane. But even now, I've still got the dry patches. So I'm going to persist with this, and I've gone back to my old moisturizer that I was using. And yeah, the difference in 2 weeks from having that on my skin to having basically my normal skin again is amazing, and I definitely think it's all down to this product. Also, I guess situationally you could say that maybe because my exams are over I'm not stressing as much. But like I said, before I started using that product I only had a few spots, and also TMI, but I am on right now, so usually when I've got the hormones going on I do have a few breakouts. I haven't had a single breakout. It's actually been amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna put it down to the Dr. Organic Bioactive Skincare. It's just very interesting how something like this can literally change your whole face in the matter of days, and then something like this can bring you back to normal again. It's just, your skin is just so sensitive. So I hope this video has been informative and has helped a few of you. I am very sad that these didn't work out for me, because for the price point I would have absolutely loved for them to work out, but unfortunately, you know, everyone's skin's different. So yes, this is my very honest review. If you are suffering with redness on your face or any kind of inflammation, apparently aloe vera is amazing for that, and I have tried this like I just said to you and it has worked for me. My boyfriend did say that he used aloe vera and he had a totally different reaction, so I'm not going to say that this is going to work for everyone, but people do generally suggest aloe vera as a good way to calm down any redness. So yes, that's it for me today. If you did like this video, please leave it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and if you are new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe. There is a new video coming on Friday, and if you have any video suggestions leave them in the comments below as well, and I'm so excited to just create more content. Thanks for watching. Bye.